Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Etsy Offsite ads, what they are, how they work, and whether they make sense for your shop in 2025. If you've ever wondered why Etsy promotes your products outside the platform or how much it costs, stay tuned. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how offsite ads impact your business.
So what exactly are offsite ads?
Etsy automatically takes your product listings and promotes them across some of the biggest advertising platforms online. We're talking about Google search results, Facebook and Instagram feeds, Pinterest boards, Bing, and even high-traffic publishing partner sites like BuzzFeed or Martha Stewart. You don't have to lift a finger to create or manage these ads yourself. There's no need to worry about writing copy, designing images, or setting up targeting options. Etsy's system does all of that automatically for you, using data from shoppers' searches, browsing behavior, and interests to match your products with the audience most likely to buy. In other words, Etsy is basically putting your items in front of millions of potential buyers, and you only share the cost when a sale actually happens.
Now let's talk about cost, because that's what most sellers want to know.
If your shop made less than $10,000 in sales in the past year, you'll pay a 15% advertising fee on any order that comes from an offsite ad. If your shop made $10,000 or more, Etsy automatically lowers your fee to 12%. And here's some good news: the advertising fee is capped at $100 per order, no matter how large the order value is. So there's always a maximum you'll pay per transaction.
So how does Etsy decide which orders count as offsite ad sales?
When a shopper clicks on one of your offsite ads and buys within 30 days, Etsy charges the ad fee on that order. If the last click before purchase was from an Etsy on-site ad, then you only pay for the Etsy ads fee, not offsite ads. And here's an important detail: one single click can lead to multiple purchases over that 30-day window. Every order tied to that click will include an advertising fee.
Next, we'll talk about where ads appear.
Etsy invests in a wide range of advertising channels to bring shoppers back to your listings. Your products can appear on Google Search, Google Shopping, Pinterest pins, Facebook and Instagram feeds, Bing, and publishing partner sites. They also appear across the Google Display Network, which includes millions of websites, apps, and platforms like YouTube and Gmail. In short, your product can show up almost anywhere your buyers are spending time online.
Can you opt out?
All sellers are automatically enrolled in offsite ads, but whether you can opt out depends on your shop's revenue. If you've made $10,000 or more in the past 12 months, participation is mandatory. You'll stay in the program but benefit from the lower 12% fee. If you've made under $10,000, you have the option to turn offsite ads off by going into your shop manager settings. To sum it all up, Etsy offsite ads are especially useful if you have higher margin products or want to scale your exposure quickly. But if your margins are tighter, you'll want to carefully consider whether the fees still leave you profitable. By the way, we've got exciting news: EHunt is about to launch an Etsy ads analysis feature. You'll soon be able to track ad performance. Stay tuned, it's coming very soon.
That's it for today's guide. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Etsy tips.